Hi everyone, Gog here, sales specialist in HubSpot. I wanted to record this video to show you two really cool things from the service agent. This is everything related to AI that you can set up for your customer service team. So first of all, I will quickly show you my, it's called customer agent. I think that I call it service agent. Anyways, so your customer agent is going to be this one. You can fill it with information about your frequent asked questions, any issues that might be documented, or you might want to document it so your customers can find answers themselves. But of course, it will happen that sometimes they will reach out anyways, even if you have that documentation somewhere, because they're not going to be able to find them. But the good thing about this is that you have the AI bots that is going to be able to gather this information, not only process it and give your customers some answers, but at the same time, you will have this information available, AI translated, live translated in different languages, which is a good thing. And I have so many customers and prospects asking me the same thing. And that's why I decided to record this video, show you guys how does it do it. And I'll show you as well what is the information that I fed my bot with. So first of all, I have three knowledge-based articles that I created. I think one of them is for finding the invoices. It's now loading. My internet might be falling a little bit. But anyways, I have these three ones. So one is for billing, one for events, another one is for login issues. The one for billing, so yeah, it is my internet, as you can see. So the one for billing is where to find my invoices. As you can see, I only have it in English, so I will test this live. Hopefully my internet is gonna let me down now. But what I want to show you is, for example, I use as a bot. This is the AI bot. I ask where can I find my invoices. This will redact all the information that I have there. It will give me the source of the truth, like my knowledge base article that where did you find the answers. But again, this is not the answer. AI gathered that information and put it in a nice ways for my customers in this case. So I say no, that didn't help, even though it did. So I rather be transferred to an agent, which it happens. You will be in this situation many times where your customers just are not going to want to read the whole text, or they don't trust it just because it says AI or whatever. But they get in touch with someone. Here you can see it goes to the real person. That person asks, how can I help? And the person asks the same question. So I need help finding my invoices. So now if we go to the help desk, here I have the whole conversation, but here what I get is the reply recommendation. So not only that information about how to find the invoices with all the steps, but also I'm getting my pretty much like the whole reply there. Trying to get the sentiment of the contact that probably had a frustration, trying to get to the answer, go to AI wasn't able to help. So first of all, it replies, I'm really sorry for the frustration you're feeling right now. Let's get this sorted out together. And then it gives me the answer. So what I can say, I can also check the source. But in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to review it, edit it. It looks perfect. Maybe I want to say this. Maybe I don't want to be very apologetic. Maybe I want to be a little bit more professional, or maybe I want to be friendly. So let's see, for example, what it gives me. I completely understand that this can be overwhelming, but here I am to help. So Cool. I will add that one instead of the other one. Perfect. We send it, and the person should get this information. I don't know if this is still going to work because, oh yeah, it did work, even though my internet dropped for a bit there. But here you see how it works. Happy days. So this is one of the things that I wanted to show you. But the other one is with AI. So I have the invoices. Now, I haven't tested these. I tested a different one earlier, the one with the workflows, because this one is something that I fed the AI with some knowledge base articles. Again, all of them in English. But if I go and I talk to the AI, even though they give me like the welcome message in English, maybe I can ask, hola, ¿qué es un workflow? Vamos a ver. So let's see what it says. First of all, okay, so that didn't work as expected. Obviously, I'm gonna get rid of that, but maybe it didn't get the hola. ¿Qué es un workflow? Let's see if it works now. There you go. Un workflow es una herramienta que te permite automatizar procesos de negocio, blah blah. So all that they got it from the link that I fed the AI with. This is not something that lives in my hosted pages. This is actually the HubSpot knowledge base. So it's a public link. I can use that to train my AI to give the recommendations. And again, I only fed it with the one in English, but it did give me the reply in Spanish. So let's say if it gets better. ¿Qué tipo de workflows existen? Let's see how it goes now. Cool. There you go. Now, let's see if I want to change to English again. And maybe where can I find my invoices? Again, I will see what other information I fed it with. So it goes to English. So let me see, what else do I have about help desk? Póngame explicar o que é help desk. And here we have it in Portuguese. Claro, ficaria feliz de explicar, blah, 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 blah. Perfecto. So here we go. Even though I never gave him any information in Spanish, any links in Portuguese, it does get the information and it translated live in a matter of milliseconds, and it gave me the answer. So this is really cool. This means that your knowledge base articles or all the information that you have, when you are training your bot, you actually don't need to have all these articles in all the different languages. Obviously, it is better if your customers prefer going and finding those articles by themselves, read through them. But here you go. You have everything. I think it's around 31 languages that can translate to. So all the languages that normally you can set up the portal in. This is just fantastic. Hopefully that clarifies some of the questions that you might have about. I had some prospect and customer asking me about what are the languages that the bot works in, if this is accurate. You can read it directly here. So give it a try whenever you start testing your AI bot. Feed it with some information, even if it's only in one language. Ask it in a different language and check the behavior, see how it works. But yeah, hopefully that was productive. Have a nice day. Bye bye.